Hey everyone, Nick Lax here to talk to you about Bitcoin, which is also known as the Byte Out Quarter. Now, over the last 15 years, Bitcoin has been our most popular coin trick. I'm excited to let you know that now it's better than ever before. When you purchase a Bitcoin from Penguin Magic, you will get a precision-made gimmick that allows you to bite a coin in half, visually restore it, and immediately hand it out for examination. Now, this special gimmick is finely crafted. It has realistic bite marks and even comes with that little extra piece that takes the illusion to the next level. You'll also get an instructional video that will teach you exactly how the trick works and how to perform it. But what I love about the instructional video is it includes all of Rick Lax's revolutionary new handlings for the Bitcoin and his new presentation that gives you a great story to share with your audience, along with a killer magic trick. And last but certainly not least, is you can now choose to have your Bitcoin come pre-installed with Roy Cooper's Forever Band. And I highly recommend that you do, because the Forever Band was specifically designed and manufactured for folding folds, which means it doesn't break, doesn't deteriorate, or lose elasticity over time. It is the newest breakthrough in gimmick coin magic, and we are excited to be able to offer it to you at Penguin Magic.